Hi guys, happy Valentine's Day. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. Anyway, our channel is all about how to do things and how to enjoy life and how to deal with life. And for this video, for this particular one, I'm gonna try and put makeup on because Bernard invited me for dinner. Oh, he's laughing. He's laughing. But this is the look that I'm trying to achieve. Well, I did actually after 2 to 3 hours. So now let's start. So this is just how I did it. I moisturized a lot because, you know, of course, we're already old. Medyo matanda na. And look at the eye bags. Oh my God. Eye bags. And yeah, medyo may konting mga kulubuts na. And medyo pahirapan na talagang gawin itong mga ganito. What can you say, Dad? Dapat hindi ko pinapakita sa'yo ito eh. Para hindi mo nakikita yung mga kulubot. Ay, nako. I know. But anyway, ang tinatry kong i-achieve dito is yung beauty queen look. You know, remember? Yung the beauty queen picture that you like. That was just a filter. It was a filter that you really like. And then when I call you on the phone, there, it appears in the dash. But I don't think I can do that look.
Why not?
I don't know. Well, I'll try. Look how thick my eyebrows are.
Just put a lot of concrete.
I know. And that's
Or
what
foundation.
that's what I'm doing. Oh my God, look at those eye bags. But anyway, there, you know, that eyebrow pencil, I got it from the Philippines. So it should have been good if I'm good at putting it on. But look. So yeah, the technique is you have to put it thick. And then the other side is like a concealer. So there. And it's just, that's how you will shape it.
Cheap.
Well, the eyebrows. Well, you know, you don't like those details. But anyway, so yeah, oh my God. That's a lot of work. I wish I did this when I was younger. So there, just putting on the... Look, Daddy. So it's getting there. It's almost. Can you see it? Oh my God, it looks like Halloween. As opposed to make your nose look narrow. Or my nose, anyway. But oh my goodness gracious. That is awful. See? My nose look a little bit like formed there. Oh my God, that's awful. Okay, so to finish up, I'm just gonna touch it up a little bit. I think the most important part is at the end. It will look good in the picture. There you go, putting on the mascara. I didn't show how I put the false eyelashes because I really don't know how to do it. Oh, there, see? I'm shaping it. It's hard to videotape and make it at the same time. But you're gonna date me, huh? Where are we going? You don't know
Dennis.
yet? Oh my god, no, I don't like to go to Dennis. I'm gonna put on this makeup and we're just gonna go to Dennis.
Cheese factory.
Cheesecake Factory.
Cheesecake.
Oh, there. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.